Hey everyone, we're going to graph f of x equals cosine squared of x using the power reducing formula, which is right here. And I'm merely just going to substitute this in for my cosine squared of x and then just graph it. So basically I have f of x equals 1 plus cosine of 2x divided by 2. Now I'm going to simplify this so I can graph it. This is be 1/2 plus, because the 2 goes under each piece, so cosine 2x divided by 2. And better write it like this. I'll bring out that 1/2. So now I can get all the information I need. Over here is your typical cosine. This black one here, is just y equals cosine of x, your parent function. And notice that the center line here is y equals 0. So basically we have a vertical shift up by 1/2. So shift up by 1/2. That means that's your new center line. So instead of at y equals 0, we're going to be starting at y equals 1/2. Now my amplitude is absolute value of 1/2, which is just 1/2. That equals your amplitude. So from your center line, you're going up 1/2 and down 1/2. Alright? So we're going to be, our max is going to be at y equals 1, and our min is going to be at y equals 0 here. And then our period is, you take this number, divide it by 2. So your period equals 2 pi divided by 2, which is just pi. That means it makes a complete wave between 0 and pi. So we're shifting up by 1/2. So I'm going to start here at 1. Alright. And then I'm going to, I have to go all the way to pi. It's going to be up in here. And down here it's going to be right there. So you don't have to label these. This would be pi over 4. This would be 3 pi over 4. So you're just going to go dot, 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 get it a nice curve there. And there's a complete wave between 0 and pi, because that's the period. Now, since we do have the 2 here, that means there's 2 waves between 0 and 2 pi. That's what basically 2 waves. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the other wave and get my coordinates here. And you draw 2 waves if you have to draw between 0 and 2 pi. Alright? And there's your graph. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.